Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys, my name is Wanamisi Kasirani. I'm the project assistant intern at the Hijabi Mentorship Program, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use Google Classroom for the training that you guys are going through. So first and foremost, we need to install Google Classroom. So I'm going to go to this button right here on my screen and search for something called Play Store. It's right here. So I tapped on Play Store, and the next thing that I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to look for Google Classroom on Play Store. So I'm going to type it there, Google Classroom. So it has popped up here, so I'm going to click on it, and then once you click on that search button, it's going to bring you to this page, and you're going to click install. So it's going to take a while, but it's going to download ultimately. It's installing. Yeah, so once it has finished installing, make sure you have space in your phone and make sure you have enough data to install this app. So the next thing we're going to do is we are going to open this app, and when we open it, we'll be brought to this page. And if we want to get started, we're going to click on Get Started. And if you are using Google, you automatically have email account. So you're going to choose the email account that you want to use for this Google Classroom. So for me, I'm going to select the first one, and then I'm going to click on OK. You're going to be brought to this page. So this page basically shows the Google classes that you have been having. For me, I have had a class demo for the Geka Champions Academy, and I also have a class with Kenya Writers. Okay, I've had a class with Kenya Writers. So this is what this page usually shows. Okay, now on the top left, there is this 3-line bar, which once you click on it, it's going to bring you to this page. So the first thing that it shows is the classes that you have, and for me these are the 2 classes that I have had. So if there is another classes that I get an invite to attend, it's going to pop up. It's going to be part of these classes that I have here. The second thing is the calendar, the Google calendar, which isn't that much important. The other important thing is the notification part. So this is going to show you the assignments that you are supposed to deal with, and the time or the deadline of which you're supposed to be submitting that assignment. Another important thing, once you enroll in a class, there are different things that you'll be required to do, and those things are under the to-do list. So based on the course that you guys are taking right now, there are different tasks that have been posted on your Google Classroom for you guys to do. So missing, basically, these are the classes that I missed, okay? And the things that I have done, or the classes that I've done, are going to be on the third column, which is on the done column, okay? Yeah. So if I did an assignment on parts of speech quiz and I submitted the assignment, it's going to appear here and it's going to say turned in. The same with other assignments, okay? So if I want to view all the assignments that I did, I'm going to press on done, and then I'm going to see all of them. So once the assignments have been submitted and they were marked, you're going to see how you are graded. Like this task, I was graded 64 to 100 and blah blah blah. So let's say I want to go to the Geka demo class. So I'm going to press on this. So once I press on the Geka demo class, I'm going to be shown the assignments that have been assigned to me. And if I press on classwork, then I'm going to see the assignments that I have been assigned to do, okay? And I'm also going to be able to see the people that are in this class if I click on people, okay? So if I want to go to the other class, which is Kenya Writers, I'll see the same arrangement. If I go to classwork, I'm going to see the assignments that were given to me, and if I click on people, I'm going to see the people who are in my class. So The next thing is the offline files. These are the files that are in your drive. And then archived classes. These are classes that have been archived by teachers. It says here when teachers archive classes, they move here. And when you go to classroom folders, it shows the folders that you have received from the different classes you are in. Okay. And that is the most important stuff. The other stuff, when it comes to settings, you can update a profile photo if you click on this. And if you click on change name, you can change the name of your profile. If you go to personal information, and then if you press on name, so you'll be able to change your name, because you guys are supposed to be using your official names. So yeah, and then afterwards you're going to save it, and then it's going to appear on your Google Classroom profile. So one last thing is this add symbol at the bottom right side. When you click on it, you can either create a class or join a class. So if I join a class, I'll be required to enter a class code. And if I want to create a class, then I'll have to create the class name, the room, the section, the subject, and blah blah blah, which is not of use for you at this moment. But something to note is that your classes are going to be sent to you via email. Like you're going to be receiving links to the classes, so you won't be using this add symbol most of the time. That is it. That is all about Google Classroom. If there are any questions, please raise them so that we can help each other understand how to use Google Classroom. Thank you so much, and bye bye.